So today we will display the content. In the second then method, let's pass the function generate image. Then create that function at the bottom. Pass data as a parameter. Inside the function, create a variable HTML and assign them to the backtick. Let's use this URL in the img tag. So add img tag. In the src attribute, add $data.message. Then add the p tag. Add click here to view more. Then we need the breed name. It comes from the select dropdown. So add $select.value. Now we need to add this HTML inside the card div. So add card.innerHTML equals HTML. Check the preview and we can see the image and the text. We cannot see the breed name because we haven't yet worked on the select dropdown. Now let's work on the select dropdown. Here we need to show the breed list. So add the fetch method. We need the endpoint. So open dog API. Click documentation. Under list all breed, copy the endpoint up to list. Then paste them in the browser. We can see the breed list here. So copy this URL and paste them over here. Add then method. We need to convert the response into JSON. So add response.json. Add another then method. Pass the function generate options. Now create that function at the bottom. Pass data as a parameter. Inside the function, create a variable options. Then let's use the map method to iterate over a message array. So add data.message.map. Pass item parameter. In the backtick, add the option tag. In the value attribute, add $item. Also add $item as an option value. We then need to add these options in the select. So add select.innerHTML equals options. Check the preview and we can see the breed list. But if you check the div tool, you should see a comma is also added. To remove them, here add join and pass the empty string. Take the preview again, and this time it looks good. This is the end of this session. In the next session, we will create a usable fetch function. Feel free to comment below if you have any questions. Also, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel to get more videos in the future. Thank you and see you soon.